Okay, I brought a special guest today. Oh, let me turn this over. I can't see where I am. I brought a special guest today to help me demonstrate the techniques. We're going to work on kickboxing. Okay, so first technique we're going to work on is called a chopping wing strike. Now this is the hand position. You start with your hand like this, and then you tuck your thumb in, so your thumb is at by the pinky. So you start like this. That's how your hand is in the guard, thumb tucked at the side, and then tuck it in like that, then tuck it in like that. So this one goes from the guard. So we start with the hands in the guard. I got my right hand on top, and the right hand is going to make a circle and go like that. And you're going to tuck that thumb in, put that back, and do it again. Circle and hit like that. Now this would come to the side of the head. Let me turn him so it's facing me a little bit. And I would come in and circle to go to the side of the head. So if I go to the circle to the side of the head, he blocks up. He don't move his hands too much. So I'm going to circle the hand to the side of the head like that. Make a circle and strike. Let's try the other side. Make a circle and strike. Make a circle and strike. Now everybody knows this step forward. You get into a cat posture. Step forward into the horse, right? So, you start from a cat posture, side view, step into the horse, right? So now we're going to step into that horse. We're going to start from the cat, step into the horse, and do that strike. So I'm going to demonstrate on him. I'll start from the horse, strike to the side of the head. Try to get him to react, try to get him to block. Okay, let's practice that a few times. So I got my right foot forward, and the hands are up in the guard. I'm going to step forward, chopping wing strike, back guard. Step forward, chopping wing strike, back guard. And 3, and back guard. 4, back guard. 5, step horse, chopping wing strike, and then back guard. Let's try the other side. So from the fighting guard, left foot forward this time, left hand is on top. With the left hand, step horse, strike the head, back guard. Strike the head, back guard. Again, 3, and then back guard. And then 4, and back guard. And 5, back guard. Now, after I strike to the head, try to get him to react, try to get him to block up. What's going to happen? His hands are in the guard like this. He blocks my chopping wing strike, and now I have an opening here. So we're going to do the upset punch. Remember, the upset punch comes from the guard. You punch out, pull it back. Let's do that again. Make a fist, punch out, and pull it back. So it's a snapping strike like that, out and back. Snapping out and back. So we're going to do the step in. We start from the fighting guard. Step to the horse, get him to block, don't move his hands much, and then I get the upsetting punch into the body, return guard. Again, block or chopping wing strike, upsetting rib punch to the body, and back guard. So let's try that several times. Ready? Right foot forward, and chopping wing strike, upsetting rib punch, guard. And 2, back, and 3. And back guard, and 4, and back guard, and 5, and back guard. Other side. Left foot forward, and 1, back guard, 2, back guard, 3, back guard, 4, back guard, 5, back guard. Good. Now, what I wanted to show you was from the last, we did a cross behind step. I wanted to demonstrate that a little bit with my partner here. Just back a little bit. Okay, now, say for example, I'm in the midst of a sparring match, kickboxing match, and I want to just do a step forward, can't reach him, see? If I want to do a skip, still too far away. But if I do that cross behind step, see, I can get much closer. I So that's what, like if you're further away and you need to cover a lot of distance, that's what that step is for. Next one we're going to work on is a cross kick. All right, now all of you know how to swing your leg up, right? I want you to swing your leg up to the corner. That's it, do that again. Now, after you swing it to the corner, you're going to swing it to the front, like that. And if you can hit your foot with your other hand, do that. So it comes up to the corner and then swings to the front. Try that again. Try it again. Try it again. And again, let's try the other leg. Ready? And 1, 2, up to the corner and then across. 3, 4, one more, and 5. Now, several ways this could be done. See his guard here? What I could do is I could use that kick to knock his guard away. Whoops. Knocked it away too much. Okay? So knock his guard away. So that would leave an opening to the side of his head. So I knock the guard away, and then I come in with the strike to the head. Okay? Now another way is the same as when you learned a choppy wing strike. And I told you if he blocks that, he creates an opening. Knock his hands away with the cross kick, and you got an opening to the head. Now, you could also use it to bring the kick close to the head, real close to the head. And it's like tournament rules, it's like a game. Like for example, everybody knows fencing. Two people are fencing, they got a sword, and with the sword, they got that headgear on and all the gear, and someone with the sword touches the other person's body, and they do electronically, and now light goes off, they get a point. Same thing in tournament sparring, that's the rules. You come close, you're actually penetrating the person's defense. So you come close to their head or close to their body. All right, and without them blow, the other person is trying to block and not get scored upon. So what we're going to do is a cross kick followed by the choppy wing strike and an upsetting rib punch. So we're going to start from the cat. We're going to do that cross kick. We're going to put the foot down forward. We're going to turn to the horse, do the choppy wing strike, and then the upsetting rib punch. Now we're going to do that cross step back behind the leg, and then get back into the cat. Okay, so we use that cross step again to get back, so we stay on the same side. So again, we're going to do, no, we're not on the same side. What are we doing? Okay, we're going to do the cross kick. Step down to the horse. We're going to do the rich hand, offsetting rib punch, and then we're going to step back, and then we're going to go into the cat. All right. Now I want you to try that 10 times on each side. Practice that. And I'm going to close off this video and then we're going to continue.